Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Welcome to a Confessions of a Paper Addict Cutfiles design team layout. I have an older one for you today. This is the Happy Heart cut file. It was from November of 2021. I had already used it once. I think I used all the innards. I can't remember actually. Or did I use this as a stencil? I honestly don't remember because it's not stenciled on. But I would like to use the leftovers now is my plan. So I am going to, after I do some mixed media on it, I'm going to place it over this dark blue background cardstock. And we are going to play with the Echo Park Away We Go collection. I really liked these colors. And I wanted to kind of create these colors with some mixed media. So we're going to do mixed media on here. My plan is shimmers, paints, and sprays and things. If I need to, I'll somehow use some oxides if I can't quite get the right colors. But I think I have enough shimmers, paints to get the colors I need. So I just want to get some mixed media to just make this white, not so white. And then we're going to use a little bit of this collection. This is a scrap room kit I got from, I believe, either May or June. Scrap room kit from May. And so I really want to play with this, and I have tons of photos of us going to the Science Museum. So that's kind of like a vacation away from home, but not like super far away. So I figured kind of away we go, adventuring vacation would be a good collection that would work. So I'm going to pick out what photos I want to use for this. It might even be when we first got there, my son was so excited because he's a big dinosaur nut. So we might even do the picture of him with the T-Rex right when we got there. And that might be the photo, which is this one. It's hard to see him because we tried to get the T-Rex in there too, but yeah. So let me go ahead and I will go figure out what mixed media is going to work the best and start working on that. I'm going to put it on another white piece of cardstock because I figured that way if I get an impression on the way through, I can always use that a different time for something else, or maybe the same collection, just a different layout for a different event or something, and it would just work. So I'm going to go do that and start picking out my things, and then I'll check back in with you when I've made some progress. All right, you guys, here is the background. I really like the colors and how it turned out. Definitely got a little more muddy than I'd like, but from far away. But if you look at it close, you can see pretty much all the colors. So I have popped my photo up. I just grabbed some of the die cuts that I got, trying to layer a few things up. I'm just going to create like a little cluster over here, and then I think a cluster over here. And I'm doing Once Upon an Adventure. This die cut is going to be my title. So we're going to get that glued down. And then I need to come up with something for a journaling spot. I like this little cluster I got started up over here. Little heart up, I think. And then I want to use some stickers off the sticker sheet and kind of create an area over here. All right, so let's get, I was actually thinking about, okay, and I've got the enamel dots out too, putting some of this below the photo. And I think I still might do that. I want to make sure I get just enough. I don't want to cut too much off. So I don't waste it. I don't want to waste it because I really like this border sticker. Yeah, and since I've never been anywhere with cacti, I figured this would be a good place to kind of cover that up and just use it as like a little tag frame thing going on. Okay, we're gonna peel off all the backing to our foam. This is from my big mama roll from Spiegel Mom Scraps. Very thick foam, actually. I debated using it because it's pretty thick. Okay. I don't even know if this will be thick enough to hold up. But we'll see. And then, yeah, we'll play with some stickers. Yeah, definitely not thick enough. I almost need 2. Yeah, it's crazy. Okay, so it's like 2 of like just a normal adhesive, which is crazy. All right, I'm worried about this. It's gonna pop up, I think, more than I want it to because it warped just enough. I tried to put some adhesive in the in-betweens, but it's kind of hard with all these little areas. We'll just do some wet glue on some of the spots to make sure it stays down. I like it on the navy blue background though, that makes me happy. And I do like that some of the colors are like coming out. All right, so I have this sticker sheet and I have that other sticker sheet, the 12 by 12 sticker sheet. I think we'll just use some things. So, and maybe these enamel dots. I think I'm gonna put a camera over here. And this little guy right here. I love all the hot air balloons. Confessions of a Paper Addict has a really good hot air balloon Cutfile. That would probably be good for this collection. I think I'll just do like out and about. Just tuck another one of these under, another like ticket. A little bit of this foam that I tore off that I didn't use, so I think I'm gonna try and use a tiny bit of it for underneath that sticker. And then I might just journal like right down here. I don't need a ton of journaling. This is kind of just the picture of us getting to the museum. Okay. And that's it. think that's it. But just remember, don't throw away the pieces of your cut file that you don't use that are all intact, because you can do fun things with the pieces. Yeah. So we're going to put some enamel dots around, and I have just the right amount that I'm going to be able to do one in each cluster. And those are all used up. Perfect. I'll do a little journaling down there of I think just date. And yeah, there we go. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you give a try to using some of your leftovers and maybe get out some sprays and just go to town. We'll see you next time. Bye.